Hey everybody, Hannah from Speak Better Spanish here. I've got another Mexican Spanish expression for you. This one I started hearing a lot around Monterrey, and to be honest, I had never heard it before in all of my travels. And the expression is, semehaceque. Sometimes we use the que, sometimes we don't. I'll give you an example of how it's used. Estos tacos me costaron 500 pesos. Se me hace muy caro. It means like, I think it is, or it seems to me. And in this case, I said, these tacos cost me 500 pesos, which is around $25. Oh, that seems very expensive to me. Or if you want to say, like, I think that, you can say, se me hace que. Se me hace que si mañana va a haber agua. I think that tomorrow there's going to be water, because right now we have a drought in Monterrey, and there's now water in a lot of places. So we can either use the se me hace que, so I think that, or it seems to me that, and then something after that. Even we can say, se me hace que sí. I think so, yeah. Or like, yo creo que sí. Or we can say, se me hace, and then how something seems to us. So it seems very expensive to me. It seems like a bad idea to me. Anything like that to give our opinion. So I hope you guys enjoyed this brief example of how to use se me hace or se me hace que in Mexican Spanish.